Hello and welcome to the video on course contents. The main topics of this course are clustering algorithms and dimensionality reduction algorithms, and for each of these algorithms we will learn about working principles, we will introduce necessary prerequisites, we will implement majority of these algorithms from scratch by using Python. We will learn about advantages and disadvantages, and we will learn about general guidelines for using these algorithms. And when it comes to practical use, we will also introduce relevant Python packages, and for each algorithm we will go through several practical demos. And aside from the main topics, we will also learn about other things such as clustering metrics, data preprocessing, handling different data types, and so on and so on. Next up, let's briefly go through the chapter contents. We will start the course by introducing necessary Python prerequisites, which we will need in order to understand algorithm implementations and practical demos. So in chapter 2, we will introduce basic Python concepts such as data types, functions, classes, and so on and so on. In chapter 3, we will learn about data science Python libraries, and specifically we will learn about NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. And then in chapter 4, we will actually start learning about clustering. We will learn about k-means clustering algorithm. We will learn about couple of metrics such as adjusted rand index and silhouette scores, and we will learn about data preprocessing for clustering. And then we will switch gears for a couple of chapters and we will learn about dimensionality reduction. So in chapter 5 we will learn about principal component analysis, and in chapter 6 we will learn about UMAP dimensionality reduction algorithm. And then in chapter 7 we will continue learning about clustering. We will learn more about k-means clustering algorithm. We will introduce categorical and mixed data, and for this data we will learn about distance measures, k-modes clustering algorithm, and k-prototypes clustering algorithm. And after that, in chapter 8, we will use everything we have learned so far in order to perform a case study where we will be clustering cells in a tissue by using cell RNA expression profiles. And just like in a real-life data science project, we will start by introducing the data type we will be using. We will learn about custom preprocessing steps for this data, and we will perform data analysis. After that, we will learn about other clustering algorithms. So in chapter 9, we will learn about hierarchical clustering. In chapter 10, we will introduce density-based clustering, where our main topics will be DB-scan clustering algorithm, density-based clustering validation, and HDB-scan clustering algorithm. And in chapter 11, we will learn about graph-based clustering, where we will introduce the Leuven clustering algorithm, and we will learn how to use this algorithm with both graph data and regular data. And finally, in chapter 12, we will use all the algorithms from the previous slide in order to continue our case study on clustering cells. And finally, we will perform a short summary of major algorithms. So this wraps up our lecture. See ya in the next one, where we will introduce couple of learning guidelines for this course.